Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix DDE server Windows Explorer.exe application error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type cmd. The best result is command prompt, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and type the next command. ch key d s key space / f space / r and hit enter. ch key ds key space / f space / r and hit enter. Click or type yes and enter. This volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. Close this window and restart your PC. Go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart. And wait a moment. In this process, don't press any key. Wait a moment. Login in your Windows. I hope to help you in this video and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.